The war on drugs has affected millions of Americans, people who need help, people who have psychiatric conditions and ended up getting addicted to their pharmaceuticals, and people who need a break and relaxation from the world. We, as the Green Party, propose that marijuana be legal on a countrywide level, and that tax revenue will be used to help people get rehabilitation. You will no longer be thrown in jail for snorting cocaine or shooting up heroin. You will be helped. You will be able to re-enter society as a solid citizen. As the Green Party, we believe every American needs to have a choice and a chance to survive. Without this, America, you won't be the land of the free anymore. Without the Green Party, our immigration system will continue to suffer. We need to fix it. Without the proper court judges, the proper attorneys, and the proper translators, nothing will be able to be fixed in this immigration system. It's broken, and what's broken needs to be fixed. With our immigration policy, we'll be able to make it so that illegal immigrants can be able to have a life in America. Not so much as steal your taxes, more so be able to be legal and happy in a place that they can call home and not feel threatened and violated every time they take a step outside. Without the Green Party, the environment wouldn't be adequately protected by the others. Without the Green Party, nature would be ruined for the generations to follow us. The earth would be ruined. We have to protect it, and the Green Party can guarantee that protection. The Green Party loves nature and everything that it has to do with. The birds, the bees, even the smallest ant inside these trees. We love them, and we want to protect and help them. If you vote me, Connor Smith, for president, then I will make sure that everybody gets what they need. I will not be a puppet to be moved around by corrupt politicians. I will be the person that cares about the Americans, that cares about everybody in this country. I will work to make America a better place for the people, the way it was always meant to be. America, home of the brave, land of the free, government ruled by the people. Vote green. Excuse me, not in my green America.